for grass. H for hand. H for hat. I for ink and I for insect. J for juice. J for jar. K for king and K for kite. L for lamb. L for leaf. M for man and M for monkey. N for neck, N for nose. O for ocean, O for oar. P for plum, P for parrot. Q for queen and Q for quail. Q. R for rope, R for rat. S for sun and S for sunflower. T for tap, T for tub. U for uncle, U